Good day everyone, this is Abe again from Autodata Consultants, and finally we are back again with another visa success story. This time around it's for Mr. Azar and Ma'am Armelita. So this is Croatian working visa. And to officially hand over the visa, I'd like to invite Miss Teresa to hand over. Please go ahead.
So, Sir
Azar.
Azar, congratulations
Thank you.
on entering over your passport
So happy
visa.
for this.
And Ma'am Armelita, congratulations din po. So, my wish is for you success and more blessings.
Alright, so guys, what's your feedback about Autodata? Mr. Azar.
Amazing service, everything just done smoothly, fast. Wah, only because of the busy levels.
Thank you. Ma'am Armelita, anong experience mo?
Ako naman, magpapasalamat ako kay Sir Abby sa pag-alalay sa akin, sa staff ng Autodata. Kung sino man yung gustong, sino man yung nangarap na mag-Europe, punta lang dito sa Autodata. 101% legit.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, congratulations guys. Actually here in Autodata, age doesn't matter because Ma'am Armelita, she's more than 50 years old, but yeah, she received her visa. Yeah, so for those who are interested to apply, please don't forget contact Autodata. Thank you so much.